Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have for you today my Yarnable subscription. So, let's take a look. Sorry about the plastic. Alright, so let us take a look. Let's get it all out. Okay. And get my glasses so I can read some of it. Alright, it says April 2023, somebody loves you. Real isn't how you are made, said the skin horse. It's a thing that happens to you when a child loves you for a long, long time. Not just to play with, but really loves you. Then you become real. The Velveteen Rabbit by Marjorie Williams. That's awesome. And that's what it is. The Velveteen Rabbit was Williams' first children's book. It has been awarded the IRA CBC Children's Choice Award. The National Education Association voted the book number 28 on the Teacher's Top 100 Books for Children. That is really awesome. So this one was obviously dedicated to the Velveteen Rabbit. So first we have a Bun-tastic stitch marker. And let's get it up there. And of course it's going to flip backwards. And there it is. It's a bunny. That's super cute. And next we have some, where'd it go? A sweet silver-toned bunny progress keeper with lobster claw clasp by Firefly Notes. Next is a carrot cake hazelnut toffee from Home HOLM Made Toffee Co. Award-winning toffee topped with creamy white chocolate, baking spices, freeze-dried carrots, and finished with roasted Oregon hazelnuts. Contains no gluten, soy, corn syrup, or preservatives. It's happiness, plain and simple. And I'm going to hold that up. There's actually 2 pieces in here. And I'll hold that up. Not that it's going to come in. There it is. And you can see there's 2 pieces in there. And it is carrot cake toffee. That looks really good. And the next item is a wooden pinch bowl by Molly Shop. These little birch wooden bowls are fantastic for holding your stitch markers. And this is totally adorable. Look at that. It is so cute. It is itty bitty, but it is so adorable. I mean, it literally fits in your hand. But that is perfect for holding stitch markers. I really like that. I really do. This is so cute. It's super smooth. Perfect for holding stitch markers. I love, love, love that. I'm looking to see if it says anything else. It does not. And the yarn. I love this. This is exciting. And this is by Yarnable, by Hypnotic Yarns, yarnable.net. And this is called Somebody Loves You. I have mine on plush DK. It is 85% superwash merino, 15% nylon. There are 246 yards or 100 grams. And I am in love. Look at that. There's purples in there. Let me slide my label off so you can get the actual colors. But look. There's a little bit of blue up here. But isn't that just stunning? I love that. And look at all that purple. Isn't that beautiful? I am in love with it. That's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So, we've got this beautiful yarn, some lovely carrot cake, an adorable stitch marker, and absolutely love this. I picked it up and I dropped it. And I absolutely love this bowl. This is really going to come in handy, this little bowl here. So, this is fantastic. I love the Yarnable subscription. I think it's one of my favorites. So, I hope you enjoyed that. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.